Kasihan kasihan
Papa the little duckling was killed only by everyone wondered from where he lived. He was bullied and measured by everyone until one day he was forgot to run away. The poor little duck was teased by everyone who met him and found himself wandering in the freezing winter alone. And when he flew to a lake to swim, he met three beautiful swans who greeted him carefully. He was confused by their friendly greetings because he had been thrown out all this time. When she saw her reflection in the water, she was surprised to see that she had grown into a beautiful man. A little girl who was throwing breadcrumbs to the noble geese even said that she was the most beautiful of them all.